Do you know that you can start your forex journey with just your phone? Yes, your phone. Good. All that you need to know is what? 1, the broker that you're going to use, and 2, your MT5 terminal. Those are the 3 things. So let's dive in how you can be able to create your brokerage account. You first open your browser, enter your address bar, then you type in hfm.com. Then you enter. So after that, you click on register. Inside the registration page, you are going to register as an individual. So you fill in the necessary information and you click on register. As for me, I'm already having an account, so no need to register. I'll log in straightforward. Good. So on your dashboard, all that you need to do is you click on the 3 bar at the top there, at the right top. Then you move down to trading account. Then you click on open a demo account. So inside the demo account page, you are going to select the first one, which is the demo premium, because it supports HFM, MT5 and MT4 terminal. So click on select. Now the next thing is you are going to provide the information necessary for completing this account. So you come down here, you click on your account nickname. It is optional if you want to have a nickname, or if you want to leave it blank, there's no problem. Then you create a password. That password is what you will use to log in inside your MT5 terminal, so you have to keep it very well. After providing the password, then you click on open an account. Then account will be open for you. Good. Your login details will be sent to your email address. So you go to your email address, check your login details, and you copy them. Now let's move on to the next stage, which is downloading your MT5 terminal. So when you're using an Android phone, you go to your Play Store, or when you're using an iPhone, you go to your App Store. Click on the search bar, then you search for MT5, MetaTrader 5, MT5. Very good. So you see this MT5, MetaTrader 5, you click on that one, then you download it. I'm already having it on my phone, so no need downloading again. Now, when your download is complete, all that you need to do is you enter your MT5. So when you enter your MT5 app, all that you need to do is you go to settings, then you click on new account. So at this place, the space provided at the top here, you're going to type in the server name. So the server is sent into your email account. Go to your email account, you search for the email that they've sent to you from the HFM broker. You see phone password, leverage, server, then account type. You are going to copy the server, which is HFM Market Global. You copy the server, then you paste it inside the space inside the MT5. Very good. So now you click on the HF Markets server. It's a demo account, so where they've written a server, you click on that place, you change it to HF Markets Global -demo. Then you enter your login. My login is here. Copy. You paste your login. Paste. Now you enter the password that you've created earlier. You enter that. Very good. After entering the password, then you click on done. Very good. Now your demo account is created. Now you can start trading with your demo account. So you click on your chart. Click on your chart and you navigate through the chart, do your analysis, and you place your trade. So that is how to create a demo account